Why cooking at home is better for your health. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to rely on takeout and processed foods for convenience. However, cooking at home offers numerous health benefits that make it a far better option. By preparing meals yourself, you have full control over the ingredients, portion sizes, and cooking methods, ensuring a healthier lifestyle for you and your family. Control over ingredients. One of the biggest advantages of cooking at home is knowing exactly what goes into your meals. Many restaurant dishes and pre-packaged foods contain excessive amounts of salt, sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. By preparing your own food, you can choose fresh, high-quality ingredients, avoid preservatives, and use healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, or steaming instead of deep frying. Portion control and balanced nutrition. Eating out often means oversized portions that contribute to overeating. When you cook at home, you can control portion sizes and ensure that each meal is well balanced with the right amount of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. You can also tailor meals to fit your dietary needs, whether it's reducing sodium, incorporating more vegetables, or limiting processed carbs. Encourages healthy eating habits. When you cook at home regularly, it becomes easier to develop and maintain healthy eating habits. You're more likely to plan meals in advance, which helps you avoid last-minute unhealthy food choices. Incorporating meal prep into your routine can make it even easier to stick to a nutritious diet by ensuring you always have healthy options ready to go. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. A diet high in processed foods and excessive calories can lead to serious health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Cooking at home allows you to prioritize whole, nutrient-rich foods that support overall well-being. A home-cooked diet filled with lean proteins, whole grains, and fresh vegetables can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote long-term health. Saves money and supports mental health. Beyond the physical health benefits, cooking at home can be good for your mental well-being. The process of preparing food can be relaxing and rewarding, reducing stress and promoting mindfulness. Additionally, home-cooked meals are more cost-effective than frequently dining out, allowing you to invest in high-quality ingredients without breaking the bank. Cooking at home is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your health. So, the next time you're tempted to order takeout, consider stepping into the kitchen instead. You'll be doing your body and mind a favor.